got a few things I'm going to be using it to style my bride next week. So I think it's a wise thing to get all the stuff you need now because things are really getting expensive and all. And I'm going to be mentioning the price too. So the first thing on my list is Lush hair braiding extension. The name of my brand is Jaynnifa Lush Hair. Yes, the name of my hair brand is Jaynnifa Lush Hair. I style, I revamp, I color, I do everything styling. So the first thing here is a braiding extension. So the first thing here is the braiding extension, Lush Hair, and I got this for 3,000 naira. I think I'm going to make a video of the bridal hair if I remember, and I'm going to post it here on YouTube. Okay, let's move on. And another thing, I love horror movies because they have amazing storylines. I mean, what's there not to love about horror movies? I so much love horror movies. And the recent one I watched, the trailer, what's the name of it? The Bride. I mean, it's either The Bride or The Invitation. The movie, it's mad. I'll rate it. I'll rate it 70%. The movie is really. I recommend that movie for you to watch it. The Bride, and the one I'll recommend is Talk to Me. Oh my goodness, you guys need to see this movie. It's hey, it's not everything that you see that you feel. Especially these teenagers. I've seen a lot of horror movies. I don't joke with anything. What's it called? All the supernatural stuff. I don't joke with them. I like draw myself back from anything that concerns if you do this one, this one. I need to watch that movie. There's this other one. I can't really remember the name. I'll put it on the screen if I remember that. Okay, let's go back to our unboxing. The next thing on my list, the next thing here is hair bond. This is used for that shuku thing you put on your head. I have other ones. I have other ones that old and that somewhere here, but I just got this two. I think everything this three here is there's a bigger one. This big. Sorry, this. How am I going to say? Okay, this is big, bigger, then biggest, then small, smaller, smallest. And these three items here, I got them for 2,000 naira. So the next one here is a Fendi roller. I just got one pack. It's sold for it's 1,200 or 1,300. I can't remember. And I wasn't able to find it in all color purple. Yes, see my favorite color. This right here, purple. You know my brand color is purple too. So let me know your favorite color in the comment section. If you're a purple lover, comment down below. And also, I was born on November 16th. I'm a November baby, and this is November. So next one here is a tweezer. I lost my tweezer, and that one was really strong. This is I don't even know. I asked for tweezer, and this man gave me. This looks like a pedicure, a manicure, something. It's not that strong, but I think I'll have to manage it. You can pluck hair, but I prefer that of my other one, and I wish I would find it. Okay, honestly, that's it for this unboxing. I didn't get enough items. I already have all the things I need for the bride, so nothing much. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like to know any more thing about me, you can leave a question in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.